Well, Rob, welcome to Windways Estate.
This is supposed to be Bahamas on a budget.
Well,
this thing's a monster.
Everything is relative.
Yeah. All right. To the estate.
Yeah. Okay, so Rob, we are now in house number 2.
Ooh.
And this is Windways.
This one's fancy.
Fancy house.
I like this.
It was one of the grand houses back in its day.
How many bedrooms, how many baths?
The primary house is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths.
That's a big house.
Yeah.
Is this traditional for the area, these types of homes, the style?
This style is kind of like a British Colonial style. This house was built in the 30s. The Bahamas was colonized by England.
Okay.
A lot of the British wealthy people that settled here, they set up businesses here. And this house was one of such houses.
It explains sort of the architecture, the design.
Correct. You know, it has a fireplace because that's what they were accustomed to.
Yeah.
They didn't have air conditioning, hence all the balconies and porches. So cool air blew through.
So you're spending a lot of time on the porch, hanging out, getting the cool breeze,
Exactly.
cooling down because it gets hot out here.
Yep.
That is so cool. And that's also a piece of why the areas are the way they are, the rich history. That's why I love traveling. That's why I love doing what I do, because it's so intriguing to me. And so when you see stuff and I'm looking at the architecture, it all flows through. Give me the lay of the land, downstairs and outside.
So the kitchen, dining room, the great living room, the sitting area, and the primary suite are all on the ground floor. It wasn't originally an open plan. We've opened it up. 2 bedrooms downstairs, 3 upstairs in the main house.
And the primary is downstairs. What makes it the primary?
So the primary was originally the garage, and there was a room above the garage. We took the garage, we made it a bedroom, we took the room above it, and made it just space. So it's a very high vaulted ceiling. You have the guest house about 100 feet away from this house. The house could be rented with the cottage or without the cottage.
Okay.
We like people to rent the whole estate because it just flows nicely.
We're here, we're hanging out, it's daytime. What are people doing here?
Okay, we have a beautiful outdoor kitchen cabana area. We have outdoor dining.
That's the pool.
That is the pool right there.
That's very hotel style pool. Big lounge chairs with cushions, and it's also a huge pool.
And it has a nice little jacuzzi area. It's a lot of indoor, outdoor living.
It's a lot of open floor plan, flow inside, outside. You have a theme. Affordable luxury, is this
Absolutely.
the same?
We got a price point for each bedroom.
Everything else
And
comes with it.
everything else is free.
I'm learning quick.
Okay.
And I love this. This is exactly what I was looking for, different style. And the next house we're seeing, similar, different.
We're gonna see another house that is actually in a gated community.
Okay. Well, hopefully there's some people there. Maybe that's the place, like we have a party, we hang out,
Sounds good.
get a little Bahama lifestyle
Well,
in.
like I said earlier, it's Carnival weekend, and I believe there's a carnival function.
Tomorrow we gotta do that.
Yeah.
All right. So the next house, actually, let's get that food.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
do
let's-
that.
I'm gonna-